Well, some showers and thunderstorms all across the upstate this evening. I'm Lauren Visson. We've been tracking these storms in the Weather Center all evening. And the good news is they're dissipating pretty quickly. The sun's setting, which means those storms are losing their heat and they're losing their fuel and they're fizzling out pretty quickly. Upstate dry for the evening. Mountains, you're still hanging on to just a few showers and thunderstorms. But by the time we head into the overnight hours, should be dry. Here's a look at what we were looking at earlier, though. We saw that cold front push through, pushing all of that shower activity in front of it. But again, the good news, most of it should be gone by this evening. Here's a look at your nation right now. We can see that cold front bringing all of that shower activity to the east coast, even a severe thunderstorm watch box here for most of the eastern seaboard. But you can see just the tail end of that front in the upstate area. Very weak, and it's fizzling out as we speak, though. We look off to the central plain states. They're still dealing with a severe thunderstorm watch box. We'll zoom it in here to Omaha, where the Gamecocks are playing this evening, 9 o'clock, and they should have just a few clouds in the sky. Comfortable 77 degrees as they face another elimination game tonight to try to get to those finals of the College World Series. Here's a closer look at the southeast. You can see here's the placement of that cold front that's been bringing in all of that shower activity. By tomorrow morning, it should move down to our south, but it's going to stall out there and become a stationary front, and that means we could see some partly cloudy skies during the afternoon hours and even a chance at some showers and thunderstorms beginning to develop in the afternoon, much like they did today. Now, another feature of note, take a look down to our south. Jacksonville seeing some Gulf moisture moving up. This disorganized area of showers and thunderstorms actually has a 70% chance of some tropical development put on it by the National Hurricane Center. That means within the next 48 hours, we have a 70% chance of possibly seeing Tropical Storm Debbie developing. You can even see it begin to spin here in the Gulf of Mexico. Now with this, the models are kind of all over the place. Not 100% sure where it's going to go. They do agree though, like this one, it does develop, move north slightly, and then I'll show you where it goes right over to Texas, to the eastern coast of Texas. Again, just one model. Upstate not getting in on too much of that shower and thunderstorm activity, but we will be monitoring the tropics for the next few days, at least to see what this thing does in the Gulf of Mexico. Temperatures outside right now, pretty good indication of where the front has passed. We see 70s where the fronts come through and where that rain has been and cooled the air, and 80s. See 86 in Abbeville, 85 in Greenwood, 83 in Lawrence, where that front still has yet to pass. 84 now in Athens, but look where that front's passed. 78 in Greenville, 79 in Clemson, 77 in Spartanburg, and a cool 64 up in Boone right now. For tomorrow for the upstate though, 7 a.m. you're looking at partly cloudy skies, 72 degrees. By the time we hit noon, we do see a few of those showers and thunderstorms. They could be developing, 88 degrees. By 4 p.m. we keep that 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the picture, and we'll top out at about 91 degrees, another scorcher for tomorrow afternoon. Mountains, some patchy fog around 7 a.m., 64 degrees. By noon, partly cloudy skies. We see those clouds start to build in at 81 degrees, and then we throw in that 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms by 4 p.m., topping out at 85 degrees. Now we keep those afternoon showers and thunderstorms in the picture for the next 3 or 4 days or so. You see through the weekend a 20% shot at some afternoon showers and thunderstorms in the mountains and in the upstate. We have a cold front coming through, very weak though on Monday, which means just a very slight chance at some showers and thunderstorms, and it cools us down just a little bit as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. High 80s for the upstate, low 80s for the mountains. But our temperatures build right back into the low 90s in the upstate and the mid to high 80s in the mountains by the end of next week.